Fast performance and rigid security are the backbone of a website's success. If a website loads slowly, it can cost you your mobile visitors and search ranking. If a website is vulnerable to attacks, the price can be high. Often, small businesses pay a significant cost because of weak security, data breaches, malware, and ransomware. All of this can affect your search ranking, or even worse, cause lingering damage to your business and brand reputation with your visitors.
That's right. Nearly half of all visitors will leave a desktop site if the page doesn't load within 3 seconds. On the security end, Accenture cybercrime study reveals that 43% of cyber attacks target small and medium-sized businesses. In this lesson, we'll discuss the importance of auditing your website for performance, security, as well as online visibility issues as we work through this course. Redesign and improve your website.
To help you understand what to look for and how to improve, we've provided a download for this course with instructions for each step and all the points we'll go over in the lessons. Download this resource from the link in the description below and follow along to redesign and improve your website. Let's begin with page performance, which isn't as mysterious as you might think.
Page performance includes how fast your website loads for web visitors. Page speed is a major factor for ranking your website higher in search results, especially for mobile devices. Additionally, slow performance can deter customers from staying on your website or purchasing your products and services.
The good news is that there is an easy tool online to evaluate your performance, PageSpeed Insights, provided by Google. Here, you insert the URL of your website, and Google will crawl that page and offer up the results. Follow the steps in the download while we look at the potential for improving website speed.
When you run these performance tests, there are a lot of big fancy words like first contentful paint, FCP, largest contentful paint, LCP, cumulative layout shift, CLS, and interaction to next paint, INP. Although these terms are important, you won't need to know them. All we will do is use this initial scan as a benchmark. And then once you carry out the improvement action items, you can rescan and compare the scores. Right now, we're going to evaluate a few things based on Google benchmarks of what your website should be. For FCP, your goal is to be at 1.8 seconds or under. For LCP, your goal is to be at 2.5 seconds or under. And for CLS is 0.1 or under. For IMP is 200 milliseconds or under.
That's a lot of short seconds.
Right?
And Google does not leave you hanging. It gives a detailed breakdown of what is slowing down your website and where it needs improvements. For most websites, it's 3 areas: large media files, overly bloated code, and not taking advantage of tools that can load content more efficiently.
Efficiently is the name of the game, so we want to make sure that you review your report, write down your scores, and print out the action items for problem areas. In the next lesson, we'll review how to improve common action items. If you're using a website builder, you may be limited in what you update, as most items are managed by our platform provider. For now, note those beginning benchmarks and save the report in a way you can revisit.
Okay, moving on, let's talk about security. Security involves how safe your website is for visitors. It can also affect your search rankings, with Google favoring websites that have an SSL certificate. This is what allows your website to show HTTPS instead of just HTTP in the address bar. If your website is hacked or compromised, restoring and rebuilding your customers' trust will require a lot of work. That is why preventative measures are critical.
Just like with page speeds from Google, Sucuri, a GoDaddy brand, provides a free and easy tool to determine the health of your website. We've listed the link to this tool in the download. Navigate to the URL and enter your website.
The scanner will look for 3 things: if there's malware, if your website is blocked, and if you have preventative security measures like website scanning and a firewall.
If there is malware on your website, you'll want to take immediate action and reach out to GoDaddy to assist in getting the malware removed. If your website is blacklisted, chances are it's because it has malware. You'll need to get the malware removed before your website can be reviewed and removed from the blacklist.
If your website is clean, you're off to a good start. In the next lesson, we'll review the action items you need to take as preventative measures to keep it clean, including adding automated daily security scanning and alerts so you're notified if something changes.
Lastly, we have to discuss search engine ranking. Thankfully, Google's PageSpeed Insights report includes a basic SEO or search engine optimization audit. Online visibility includes how visitors find your website and metrics for how long they stay and interact. SEO, or search engine optimization, is critical to online visibility and something you can improve yourself just by defining and inputting SEO markers. Now, it's surprising that most website owners, they don't do this. And a recent report from Ahrefs found that 25% of top-ranking websites do not provide customized search meta information.
Each web page on your website needs a title and a description to let Google know what it's about. That data is called meta information. Although Google will crawl the copy on the page and determine its relevance to a keyword, the information you enter as a title and description will be displayed in search results.
While very detailed reports are available online through SEO specialists and SEO software, what you can receive from Google is a foundational awareness of how your website is or is not listing key information needs to help Google with your online visibility.
The report will also review whether you have necessary elements like a robots.txt file to guide Google on what pages and assets to show in a search. You can use a robots.txt file to manage crawl traffic and prevent image, video, and audio files from appearing in Google search results. The file also helps to avoid crawling unimportant or similar pages on your site.
Finally, this report will let you know if you have images and links that need alt and descriptive text. Alt text is the information attached to the image that describes what it is and is also important for accessibility. Link descriptive text is when the hyperlink words clearly convey what is targeting or where the user will go. Both of these can affect how those assets appear in search results.
Make sure your website has Google Analytics to better understand its online visibility. Google Analytics will show you more information about your search rank and who is visiting your website. You can also link your Google Analytics to a Google Search Console account for more information about your website's ranking.
That's a great action item. After auditing performance, security, and online visibility, let's move on to all the action items for this section in our lesson. Foundational improvements for your website.